local government unit, may katlab ang lungsod ng Maynila. Today is the start of long journey because today we're going to deliver angiogram and hopefully later on through the skills and knowledge of our doctors, magkaroon tayo ng angioplasty sa tulong ng ating mga partner, PGH, Heart Center, DOH, hopefully, and other specialists from the private sectors. Sa Maynila, pahabaan ng buhay. Yun ang gusto ko. Gusto ko malusog. How I wish. But if needed, kung kinakailangan, sana these things must be made available. Kaya sa aking mga kasamahan, makonsehal na nandito, sulit bang magsesyon kayo kahit bumabagyo? Yes! Para lang sa kaalaman ninyo, kahit Sabado ho, minsan pinapapasok ko pa yan sila kasama ng mga department head ko. We will not stop in our own little way. I always try to tell them, many are called, but few are chosen. You were given a chance by God to be of service to others. At tayo, katulad na rin na nasabi ng mga matatanda natin, para lang tayong hanging dumaan sa mundo pagdating ng araw. But while we are sa loob ng public service, create a mark so that the next generation have something to follow. Katulad ng ginawa ni Mayor Lacson at ni Mayor Villegas, kung saan tayo nakatayo ngayon. That was 50 years ago. But those mayors of the city of Manila inspired other cities to do the same. And that's why we continue to honor them, immortalize them in our own little way sa present population ngayon. So that we'll be reminded that kapag kayo ay nagbuti sa inyong kanya-kanyang tungkulin at gawain, the next generation will immortalize you the same thing that we're doing to Mayor Lacson and Mayor Villegas. Kaya may ospital ng Maynila, kaya may pamantasang lungsod ng Maynila dahil sa mga alkalde ng lungsod ng Maynila. Yon yung dalawang tao. At nabanggit na rin ni Director Grace Padilla that just beside this building, through the effort and leadership of the Dean of College of Medicine ng Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila and the PLM Board of Regents, in a matter of few months, we're going to groundbreak the new Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila a few meters away from this institution. And I was told during the course of our meetings in the school ground with the Board of Regents, on a regular 300, 500 that we can accommodate to produce doctors and nurses and other allied health professionals. The Dean herself said, on what we're going to build here can produce 5,000 medical professionals.